Between the two, good morning, James. I'm rejoining this conversation between fintech services as well as gaming, which could be the leading catalyst for the business into the future, because gaming has an element. I mean, they've done 45% year-on-year growth in that segment, but it has the element of whether those numbers are sustainable in a post-pandemic era. What do you think?
Yeah, I think they're both very important, and obviously you pose a very important question here. The reason gaming is important is a very high-margin business, right? That's what we saw this quarter. Every time you have a positive revenue trend on gaming, it helps the profitability of the business. Now, fintech is more important for the longer term as companies bring more of the retail sales online, specifically using payments. And once the regulation on fintech starts to settle, we actually expect a wider adoption of fintech platforms by Chinese users and also increase adoption by state-owned commercial banks. This will increase their addressable market meaningfully for the fintech business. So we are very excited about the long-term prospect of fintech post the increased regulation that we see in the marketplace.
Fair enough, James. You've increased your sum of parts based price target on the stock on Tencent to 600 Hong Kong dollars. And I mean, this could just be a question out there, a point to ponder. What about WeChat Pay and the future growth prospects there? Could that include spinning off the business and potentially IPOing?
Yeah, when we do some of the parts specifically, we look at a couple of things, right? We kind of break down the business in gaming, advertising, the cloud business, for fintech. So certainly fintech business is included in there. And certainly there are a lot of upside with the fintech business we may not fully capture at this point in time. And especially with fintech business for Tencent may essentially evolve in selling insurances, for example. And they may be selling more financial product to really drive the fundamental of that business going forward.